Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in this bag here. All right. This bag comes from the SevenGreat store. Now, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, they'll be right in here. And I got an email last night saying that they got in 70 new cross-stitch kits. So there's something to check out for you. And that's all across the board. I mean, it's not just specifically spring kits or Joy Sunday or Mona Lisa, that kind of thing. It's a total of 70 throughout that whole genre there. All right, let me get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. So this is a silk kit by Mona Lisa, and it's 11 count. It's 63 by 50, and it was $16.55. But I thought it was just beautiful and really antique looking. I really did like it. I thought it was gorgeous. Just gorgeous and simple. So we'll see what the colors look like. But I'm not sure. It does have an instruction book, which is all on one page. And so there's going to be just cross-stitching. Let me flip it over here. I got it going right. It has 26 silk colors. We have 310 black. Anything else I knew? And 3865. Those are the only two numbers that are coming to mind that I know. But very nice little booklet. They always do kits up nice. Nice, big, easy to see pattern. It's probably just goes this way. And nice pages, so it's broke down. And it does have a grid running along the side and the top, so you know that you can match that to the canvas. So very nice indeed. And let's see what we got here. Oh, instructions on how to start and how to finish. Now, I wouldn't suggest ironing this. This is silk. So I wish they would come up with instructions for the silk ones. You know, when you're finished with them, how do you treat them? Do you treat them different? Can you still iron them? I'm not real clear on all that part. So, yeah. Let's see what we got in here. Let me turn it around. Well, okay. So we have an extra bag. Look at those golds. Isn't that beautiful? That must be the background, because there is an awful lot of that. Does it say? No, it just says number 8. So we'll see that. And then there's this almost a copper color. Very, very pretty. Yeah. And since I got my beeswax, I like it much better than any that I've ever purchased from any store. I mean, as far as the ones I review. So yeah, if you go to any of my Stitch With Me's, the ones that we've just been through in the past couple of weeks, you will see the link to her shop where you can get that beeswax to use on this. And I'm assuming that it works on other threads as well. I haven't tried it out on the Egyptian cotton. Look at those colors. Ooh, we even have some pink. There's your 310 black and more. It's like a pale purple. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Now this one is not very big. It is full coverage. So hopefully all these colors will go where they need to be. There's your 3865. I don't think I've seen that yet in silk. But very beautiful, beautiful, shiny colors. Let's put that up here. Oh, we have a toolkit We have 4 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. There's no number or no picture on there, but very nice looking needles. They're not rusted, they're beautiful. Let's put this up here with that, and let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, it's very small. I'm so used to working on these huge canvases that this is, wow, okay. But I think it'll be fine. I don't see any confetti. Looks pretty straightforward, and looks like they've done that yellow. What color did I? That's number 8 that I showed you. Is like evenly distributed, so it's not just a great big area that you have to stitch. So you could just stitch the backgrounds and, you know, stitch your edge, the inside, the picture part. It is serged all the way around, but very nicely printed. I will show you that in a second. This is 61 centimeters or 24 inches. And this way it is 47 centimeters or 18.5 inches. The actual picture size is 39 centimeters or almost 15.5 inches. And this way is approximately 51.5 centimeters or 20.25 inches. So it's not too terribly big. It is full coverage. Now the reason it was so wide this way is because you have a salvage edge here. So they usually give you a little bit extra. And it has a nut. I'm trying to roll my thing up here. Very nice key that runs along the side. Looks like the stitching is not into the numbers, so that's great. And the threads are all on thread cards, not thread drops, but easy to see symbols. Very nice. This should be very simplistic to do. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So I don't even know where to start. I just don't. Maybe we'll start on one of these butterflies. That number 2. Oh, that, of course, that's 310 black. See what I mean? I'm terrible at picking colors here. Maybe we'll start with another color. I'm not sure. But this afternoon will be part 2 of my review for 7Great. They have cross stitch. Oh, if I could just talk. It was kind of windy yesterday. Cross stitch, beaded embroidery, in both the little bitty tiny ones and the big ones. And they also have Egyptian cotton kits with the Spring Company. So they have Yeshu, Spring, Mona Lisa, and the other one, I can't think what it is, and Joy Sunday. So they have lots and lots to choose from, great prices, and I think there's a sale going on right now, so do check them out. Thank you, 7Great, for this gorgeous kit that we're going to start this afternoon. Yep, I'll get out my beeswax and we'll just go to it. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.